The next device we're going to go through is how to do changes on your HMI with a USB stick. Get the USB stick labeled HMI, plug that into the HMI's USB port in the back. Go to the front of this. Now, depress your finger anywhere that is not a clickable icon. This page should show up. You will then select Update. From Update, you should see available updates. As you can see, it's pulling from the USB memory, which is what we just plugged in. You will then select Auto Select Best Match and select Next. This will then update your HMI. It'll power cycle, and once it's restarted, this will be complete. You have now successfully updated via USB.